Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and iOS version match the tool requirements. This prevents later failures. Once done, install the IPA signer and your preferred sideloading helper like AltStore. Make sure the helper is the latest build. Connect your device with a cable, enable developer mode, and trust the computer. This opens the signing and installation path. Finally, back up your device to iCloud or local storage so you can restore if anything goes wrong. You now sign the IPA, load it into the IPA signer, choose your provisioning profile, and enter the Apple ID used for sideloading. This step makes the app installable on your device. While signing, edit entitlements to allow required permissions and add sandbox exceptions if the game needs file access. Once signed, configure game-specific settings like in-app toggles or resource folders before installing. Taking these actions prevents crashes and ensures the modified build behaves as expected on first launch. You complete the process by sideloading the signed IPA to the device. Watch install logs for errors and wait until the app icon appears. Once installed, launch and immediately test core mechanics, sign-ins, and save functions so you can catch issues early. If something fails, check crash logs and provisioning errors, revoke the certificate if necessary, and re-sign with corrected entitlements. If the device becomes unstable or data is corrupted, restore from the backup you made earlier to recover safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.